In today's video, I'll show you how to create your own WooCommerce store from start to finish. We'll set up the plugin, configure payments and shipping, and make sure your online shop runs smoothly. Start by opening your WordPress dashboard and go to the plugins section. Click Add New, then search for WooCommerce. Once it appears, click Install, then Activate. This plugin is what transforms your regular WordPress site into a powerful online store. After activation, WooCommerce will launch a setup wizard. Here you'll enter key details like your store's location, preferred currency, the type of products you'll sell, as well as your payment, tax, and shipping settings. Take your time here. This forms the backbone of how your store will function. Next, it's time to design your storefront. Choose a theme that works well with WooCommerce, such as Astra, Cadence, or the official storefront theme. Go to Appearance and Customize to adjust your colors, typography, and layout so your store reflects your brand. Now, let's add your first product. Go to Products and select Add New. Enter your product's name, upload images, write a clear description, and set a price. You can also assign categories and tags or create variations like size and color to keep things organized. For payments, head to WooCommerce settings and open the Payments tab. Enable gateways such as Stripe or PayPal and add your API keys. It's a good idea to test everything in sandbox mode before going live. Finally, set up your shipping zones and tax rules under WooCommerce settings. You can define flat rates, free shipping, or local pickup, and enable automatic tax calculations if needed. Once everything's configured, your WooCommerce store is ready to go live. You've now built a fully functional online shop, simple, professional, and ready to make sales.